Got a refrigerator picture, one or lesson learned. Got a half-empty closet that's missing no t-shirts. Got a Chevy full of reasons to love somebody right. Got a shotgun scene reminder of what losing was like.
Let's go, baby!
Got a taste of being broken. Next time around, it knows what not to do. Guess when one door slams, another opens. And I ain't had to practice that on you. Oh, that devil on my shoulder did some damage. Now I know
Number one.
that I'll never take a love like yours for granted. It never